Hello cadets, today's our topic is Quad versus BRICS. Quad, Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, a strategic security forum involving the USA, India, Japan and Australia, focusing primarily on issues related to Indo-Pacific region, maritime security and countering China's growing influence. BRICS, a coalition of five major emerging economies, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, focused on economic collaboration, financial reforms and creating a multipolar world order. Objectives: Quad, promote Indo-Pacific stability, strengthen maritime security, and uphold the rules-based international order. Collaborate on emerging technologies, cybersecurity, and counter-terrorism. Address climate change and ensure supply chain resilience. BRICS, enhance economic cooperation among emerging markets. Reform global financial institutions like the IMF and World Bank to reflect developing nations' interests. Promote sustainable development and trade among members. Advocate for a multipolar world and opposed to a unipolar or Western dominated system. Member composition: Quad, USA, a global superpower emphasizing military and strategic dominance. India, a rising power in Asia, balancing regional security with economic growth. Japan, a technological powerhouse and key US ally in Asia. Australia, focused on regional stability and countering China's assertiveness. Now, BRICS. Brazil, a leading Latin American economy with agricultural strength. Russia, a major energy exporter and geopolitical challenger to the West. India, shared membership with Quad, balances ties with both. China, the world's second largest economy and dominant force in global trade. Now, South Africa represents Africa, focusing on regional development and equity. Fourth, key areas of focus. Quad. First, security. Strengthening defense ties, joint military exercises, and maritime domain awareness. For example, Malabar exercise, countering China's military expansion in South China Sea and beyond. Second, technology. Collaboration on cutting edge technologies like AI, quantum computing, and 5G. Supply chain diversification, especially in semiconductors. Third, climate and disaster response. Initiatives to combat climate change and provide disaster relief in the Indo Pacific. BRICS. First, economics. Focus on trade among member states. New development bank to fund infrastructure projects in emerging economies. Second, global governance reform. Push for changes in the UN, IMF, and World Bank to give emerging nations a larger voice. Third, sustainability. Addressing global challenges like climate change, poverty, and inequality. Now, key differences. Aspect, purpose of Quad, strategic and security focused, of BRICS, economic collaboration and multipolarity. Geopolitical instance of Quad, countering China's influence, of BRICS, includes China as a member. Membership of Quad, four Indo-Pacific democracies, of BRICS, emerging economies across continent. Global approach of Quad, pro-Western alignment, of BRICS, anti-Western dominance. Key issues of Quad: defense, maritime security, technology. Of BRICS, trade, financial reforms, and development. Overlaps and conflicts. India's dual membership. India balances its role in both, maintaining strategic ties in Quad while fostering economic cooperation in BRICS. China's role: a competitor in Quad's agenda but a dominant force in BRICS, leading to contrasting dynamics. Economic interest versus security concerns. BRICS focuses on financial and development issues, while Quad is primarily driven by security concerns. The challenges of Quad: lack of a formal structure like NATO, differences in priorities among members. Example given: India's hesitancy to confront China's directly. Of BRICS: international tensions, especially between India and China, diverse economic goals, and geopolitical instance among members. Now, conclusion. Quad, aimed at maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific, Quad serves as a geopolitical counterweight to China's dominance in the region. BRICS focuses on reshaping the global economic order. BRICS seeks to empower emerging markets and reduce Western dominance. Both blocs reflect shifting global power dynamics, with Quad emphasizing strategic alliance, and BRICS championing economic development and multipolarity. Thank you.